If you want to be able to double tap your iPhone screen to turn it on without needing to use the physical buttons, I'll show you exactly how to do it. It only takes a few seconds. Now, let's first just open up my iPhone here, and we're first just going to go to the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, scroll down and tap on Touch. You'll be able to see as I scroll down, tap or swipe to wake. It says wake and unlock your iPhone when you tap the display or swipe up from the bottom edge. Now, if I physically use the buttons to turn my phone screen off, I can now just tap on it or double tap. Or, of course, it also said I can just take my finger from the bottom and swipe up, which I find doesn't work quite as regularly as double tapping on it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that, and it will level up your iPhone skills. Thanks for watching.